All right, what's up, YouTube? Supreme Card Breakers here. This is for the half case break. Pick your own team. So we're gonna rip open this full case here, and we're gonna find out the six teams, the six boxes, sorry, that we will be ripping. So here we go. So this is the fresh case. All right. It's like the smell of a new car when you open one of these. All right. So unlike the first case that we opened, I numbered the box numbers on the front side like this. I'm just going to number them on the side so we can differentiate. All right, so you can see that, awesome. No, that didn't work out. All right. $11 and $12. All right. So what's going to happen now is I'm going to find out how many times we're going to do a randomizer to see which boxes we will include here. So I'll just bring up random.org. Just going to roll the dice once to how many times we're going to random. So we got 9 times, and we're just going to pick the first 6 that come out here. All right. So 9 times. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and finally, number 9. We got box 4, 10, 12, 2, 9, and 6. Boxes that we have are 4, 10, 12, 2, 9, 6. 4, 10, 12, 2, 9, 6. Nine, 10, 12. All right, so these are the boxes that we will be breaking tonight. Now the other 6 are going to be put in for random teams. You'll have 2 teams, but that's just for later on. Here we go today. I'm going to post up just everybody who's in the break along with their team. We'll do this really quick. GK got the Diamondbacks, NWA's got the Braves, Joe's got the Orioles, BenMA has the Red Sox, Jay's Fan 19 with the White Sox, M. Barnett with the Cubs, Joe's got the Reds, Dolphins got the Indians, NWA's got the Rockies, GK Tigers, benp has the Marlins, Stu Fan 14's got the Astros, NWA the Royals, M. Barnett with the Angels and Dodgers, Supreme myself's got the Brewers, Dolphins got the Twins, Lemon has the Mets, roughbuff, you got the Yankees, Dolphins got the Athletics, NWA's got the Phillies, Michael Donovan, you got the Padres. Here we go. benp got the Padres. MWA's got the Giants. Joe got the Mariners. Michael Donovan's Cardinals. NWA Rays. Joey got the Rangers. Jason with the Blue Jays. And GK got the Nationals. All right, let's start off with number 2 here. So that's box number 2. All right. Okay, good luck, guys. So don't worry if you're the teams that you have. I'll let you know with all the autograph tips who's got what. Get you guys some color. Was always good. Let you memorize them, yeah. That's good then. I'll still know what teams you got though. Just in case something here. Then the link is just there's 6 boxes. That's awesome. Let's pull a ton for you. All right, so we got 1 half here, 1 half here. Let's go with the left. Let's see what we get. All right. So, top shelf, Calgary. Got an Aramis Ramirez refractor. Ian Kinsler, X Factor. Clayton Kershaw refractor. Oh, there we go. First auto of the day. Cole Wong for the St. Louis Cardinals. And that was congrats, buddy. All right. Continue on here. We got Prince Fielder cut. Desmond refractor. Matanaka, 1989. Chris Colabello, X Factor, the Twins. Grady Sizemore refractor for the Red Sox. All right, and the right side. So we got another auto in here. Good luck, guys. Let's see, we got one color. We got blue parallel. Right. Is it an auto? Is it okay? David Holmberg for the Reds. That is a blue parallel. Hey, Michael Barnett, how are you? That one's numbered 41 out of 99. That's blue for Joe. There you go. Congrats, buddy. All right, let's continue on here. Refractor, the Rangers. Chem, just in time, man. Just opened half a box. Evan Longoria, refractor. Oh, and there we go. Onelki Garcia for the LA Dodgers. And going out to you, Mike. Good job there. Perfect. Come in. Nice hit too. Onelki Garcia. Jason Kipnis die cut. Refractor. Robinson Cano, 1989 insert. Definitely, we'll go back. There are variations that we'll check for you. Look at all rookie cards and all that. That's the Jimmy Nelson X-Factor. Alexi Ramirez refractor. That was all. All right. So I'll just put all these hits here on the side. Okay, let's go with number 4. So this is box number 2. That's 6. Box number 2. Yeah, man. Top Chrome, for me, never disappoints. For me, if kids started the kids back to one select. Oh, that's always good though. It's a nice little hobby. Okay, first half. your kids like sports? Or do they like watching sports cards or the other trade cards? Yeah, I think we could do that for sure. NW, if you want to just set that up for me, that would be awesome. I like hearing you scream. All right, just a few lots. So we started from the left last time. I think we'll go from the right here. And here we go. Got a new color, got a blue. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, Hanley Ramirez refractor. Jose Bautista refractor. Got the blue. Let's see if this one's autoed. Oh, this is a Shane Victorino blue parallel. Shane Victorino. And that one's number 131 of 199. Come on, let's get some focus. There we go. 131, 199. Nice action shot. Yeah, man, this should be a variation, in my opinion. I think that's really nice. All right, Hunter's refractor. Oh, there we go. Tons. Auto for the Detroit Tigers, Tyler Collins. And that one's going out to GK. Congrats, GK. Tyler Collins. That one looked like it was refracted, but just a base. Eric Jeter die cut. Oh boy, here's a tough one. Isabel Barrena. Wow. That's the Dodgers. David Wright, 1989. Shin Victorino X-Fractor. Man, that's a tongue twister. Chase Henley, refractor. He's the alphabet guy. Yeah, for sure. All right, on to the next one here. Oh, we got some more color. That's a red. That's red. Good luck, guys. Albert Pujols, shelf. Kenley Jansen, refractor. I don't know, it's coming up right here. Justin Verlander, and how about that? A Bryce Harper red. Bryce Harper for the Washington Nationals. Joe, is that one yours? I think that one's the GK's, actually. And that one is out of 25. That's 6 out of 25. Bryce Harper. Okay, let's get this focusing. 6 of 25. Nice hit. Man, I love colors. Nice try, nice try. Oh, the whiskey extra. John Lester, refractor. Yu Darvish, refractor. Oh, we got a blue. I didn't even see that one there. Con auto. Let's get the auto out of this. Rougenet Odor. Awesome. Nice hit right there for the Texas Rangers. And that's going out to you, Joe. Nice. There you go. Rougenet Odor. Fix that out there. Okay, and that one's numbered. 1 out of 199. Pick up Rougenet Odor. Congrats. Ryan Braun. Is that Walters refractor? Albert Pujols, 1989 insert. joemumblez. That's the end there, box. So that's a nice color. I'm glad I can pull out some color. Color's always nice. Let's keep the ball with the lower numbers. So this is box number, that's not box 6. Okay. Number 3 in the break. Oh, didn't see that. Yeah, Angels were the last minute pickup. Let's hope we can get something for you. All right. Okay. Glass. Number 6 of the case and number 3 of the break. So let's see if we can keep up with these colors. See if we can put a red Bryce Harper was a nice one there. Really like that. Also because that was number 25. That wasn't though. Okay, that's the first half. First half and the left side. You want an Oriole? Let's see if I can pull an Oriole out for you. And a red. Oh, maybe we can get a red Oriole. Yes, yes. So. Back. All right, we did well starting from the right, so I think we should start from the right again. All right. Good luck, everybody. What do we got here? I think that was the top shelf. All right, maybe the color's in the next pile. That's no problem. Let's see what we got here. Fielders. Prince Fielder, top shelf. And Zobrist, refractor. Hanley Ramirez, X-Factor. Mike Trout, refractor. Let's start, Mike. All right, Eddie Butler, auto. Number 1, Eddie Butler for the Colorado Rockies. And that's going out to NWA. Eddie Butler. That's just a base. Congrats. Orioles. Diamondbacks. Oscar Taveras, refractor. 1989 insert. Yes, it will be. It will be in the random. And the other 6-box break. Mike Moustakas, X-Factor. Kyle Seager, refractor. And another base there. Okay, so let's go to the left side here. Good luck, guys. Got any color? We do a black. We do have a black. Yes. Here we go. Space, all right. First refractor, Junior. And we're getting to the black here. All right. How about a Yasiel Puig black? Yasiel Puig. And that one there is out of 100. That's number 2. Very nice. Yasiel Puig. That's going out to Mike. Congrats. Yeah, that's a nice one. All right, let's continue on here. Josh Donaldson, X-Fractor. Billy Butler, refractor. Chris Davis. I heard he got suspended. Davis. Travis Darno, refractor. Taiwan Walker, 1989 insert. Yeah, that is an Oriole. Billy Hamilton, X-Fractor. I'm not sure exactly, actually. David Robertson, refractor. Does anybody know? Oh, was it? No way. And auto here, Nick Martinez for the Texas Rangers. Nick Martinez. And that one's going out to, what do we got? Who's got the Texas Rangers here? Joe. Congrats, buddy. Not real, but did get lots of base out of there. And the rest are base. Not bad. Okay. So we're about halfway through. Let's go again with the lowest number. Box number 9. Number 9. doing well going right to left. I think we'll keep that going there. Awesome. Not too bad. We got a couple colors. Man, I love it. I love the color. So that link there is for 2-team box break. Our teams will get randomized. Last one. Awesome. Thanks, Mike. All right, last pack. Fourth box. All right, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Like I said, the right side was doing well. It's the right side. Let's see if we got any color. Top shelf there. All right. Nope. Maybe the color's another one. Okay, here we go. Steven Strasburg, top shelf. Matt Carpenter, refractor. David Price, X-Factor. Andrew McCutchen, refractor. Fielder, 1989 insert. Andrew Cashner, X-Fractor. Nelson Cruz for the O's, refractor. And our first auto, Oscar Taveras for the St. Louis Cardinals, Oscar Taveras. And that one's going out to Michael Donovan. And that's just base there. Oscar Taveras. Very nice, yes. Masahiro Tanaka, die cut. Space. Ron Singleton, refractor. Yep, it's a very good product. All right, and on to the left side. Here we go. We do have a blue. So there is a blue there. Buster Posey, 1989. What's the rookie? Oh, yeah, 1989 there. Sorry about that. Jared Weaver, X-Fractor. Carl Crawford, Refractor. Whoa, how about that one? Ryan Braun, die cut auto. Die cut. That's going out to the Brewers. And that's for myself, actually. I will definitely send that out. That was numbered 23 of 25. Ryan Braun. Yeah, I'll definitely include this in if you guys buy the other half case, 15 slots 2-teamer. Definitely randomize off to those people who have those lots. That's a Ryan Braun die cut auto out of 25. All right, how about that? That's a nice hit. It's going out to one of you guys who purchases a slot in there. Very nice card, yeah. Here we go. Carlos Gonzalez, die cut. It's not on card, no. It is sticky on. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you can see it over here. Still, it's full, 25. Like I said, we'll go out to one of you guys who purchases a slot in. Steph Romero, Refractor. And blue, Jay Bruce. Blue parallel, Jay Bruce to the Reds. And that's for you, Joe. Bruce. And that one for 125 of 199. Let's pick this up. There you go, 125 of 199. Yeah, that's exactly it, Joe. We got an X-Fractor of Matt Cain. Fractor of Zach Wheeler. Bunch of base in a row there. James Refractor. Nice. All right. So we're almost through here. Put the lower box number. Go with box number 10. That's box 5 of 6 in the break. Yeah, man, that's a good thing. Here we go. Box number 10. Last pack on the left. And now on to the right. And last pack. We've been on a roll, getting some nice hits starting from the right, so let's just keep on going. See if we've got some color. I think that's a atomic. We'll see though. And that's top shelf there. Okay. We may have an atomic. I'm not sure here. Let's see. See if we can do that here. These are all base. Troy Tulowitzki refractor. Yeah, I think so. Base. David Ortiz refractor. Jose Ramirez refractor. Erisbel Aruebarrena is an atomic. 9 of 10. Come on, let's focus in on that there. Yeah, Michael just left. He'll be really happy about this. There we go, focusing in. 9 of 10. Erisbel Aruebarrena. This guy's name's just unreal, but very nice. Congrats. Top shelf, Buster Posey. Very nice to carry out. Right refractor. Salvador Perez, X-Fractor. Jonathan Scope, refractor. And that is all. So we have 2 autos. And they're both in the left pile here. See if we can get some color going on color. Oh, maybe it's in the refractors. All right, good luck, guys. Paul Goldschmidt, 1989. No, I definitely know. Padres, X-Fractor. Jordan Zimmerman, refractor. Yeah, talk about all the parallels. All at the end here. Eric Johnson, first auto for the White Sox. Eric Johnson. That's a Jays fan. That's just a base auto. Oops. Eric Johnson This die cut is kind of similar to Felix Mendez. Got a Robbie Cano die cut for the Mariners. Joe Nathan refractor. Whoa, how about that? Abraham Almonte auto for the Mariners. And that is going out to, we got here, Joe. Good job, Joe. That's that one's a base error, but Abraham Almonte auto. Nice. Darvish insert, die cut, sorry. Martin Prado refractor. Dave Ortiz, 1989 inserts. What do we got here? Rafael Montero refractor. Shinsu refractor. All right, so that's all for the fifth box of this break. We've got one more left. Box row 12. Box 12. Kind of feel a little fatty in one of these here. All right, here we go. Last box, box 12. Box number 12. Yeah, is that what you think, Joe? Hopefully the sorter put 3 odds in because it's the last box. I don't know. Okay, so that's the left. To the left and the right. Yeah, I think we did that. It happened before, anyways. In Chrome Football, yeah, I do remember that. Picked up an extra auto in a box, so. It's awesome because you were just flying by the rest of the cards and said, oh, sweet. Just a few packs left. All right. All right. Just again, thank you guys for for participating in the break. Appreciate it. Final box left. Let's make it a good one. Good luck, everybody. So, like again, we were good going from the right to the left. Let's do it again. Let's see if we can get some color in here. We got a blue. Oh, it's a top shelf. All right, you got a blue. Here we go. Desmond Jennings, the Rays. And that one's numbered 164 out of 199. Come on. All right, we'll come back to it. It's not really focusing in. All right, we'll come back to it. Jurickson Profile refractor. Kenley Jansen X-Fractor. Posey refractor. Ken Griffey Jr. 1989. Got a Brad Miller Sepia for the Mariners. Sepias are out of 75. That one is 60 out of 75. There we go, 60 out of 75. Congrats, Joe. If I can get this Desmond's card back. All right, 164, 199. Desmond Jennings. All right, let's continue on. Find these autos. Andrew McCutchen, top shelf. Trios refractor. Pedro Alvarez X-Fractor. Ryan Howard refractor. And the rest of the base. All right, on to the left side. We've got 2 autos remaining still. Let's see if we can get some color here. All right, maybe they're in the refractors. Oh, there we go, Jake Marsnick, the Miami Marlins. Oops, jeez. Jake Marsnick. For the Marlins, that's going out to benp. That's base. All right, Jake Marsnick for the Marlins. Still got one more out left. A die cut, Hanley Ramirez. Fractor, Von Nova. $19.89 insert, McCutchen. Got an X-Fractor, Zach Walters. Yelich for the Marlins, refractor. Oh, all right. Got a refractor auto. Oscar Tavares. Picked up a base of Oscar and now got a refractor auto. So that one is numbered 365 out of 499. Again, yes, this is a refractor though. And that one's going out to Michael Donovan. So congrats to you, Michael. Yeah, numbered 365 of 499. All right, we'll come back to that. Hey, look, Oscar Tavares base. Troy Tulowitzki deck. Jason Grilly, refractor. Billy Hamilton, 1989. Donald Ventura, X-Fractor. And finally, Brandon Belt, refractor. All right. So that is all in these 6 box break. Real quick hit recap for you guys. The autos there. All right, we'll go with the colors really quickly. Desmond Jennings, A. Bruce, these are all blue parallels. David Humber, Shane Victorino, black, yes, League. Got Seep, Brad Miller, red, Bryce Harper, atomic of, oh boy, Isabel Aruebarrena. And that there, number 9 out of 10. Wicked hit. For the autos, Colton Wong, base. Onelki Garcia, base. Tyler Collins, base. Rujan Odor, blue, parallel. Eddie Butler, base. Nick Martinez, base. Oscar Tavares, base. Got a Ryan Braun, dice 25. There we go. And I will definitely put this back in to every slot on the 15 teams. We'll randomize that off the side. Johnson, base auto. Abraham Almonte. Jake Marsnick. And Oscar Tavares, refractor auto. All right, so that is all. Thanks again, and have a good night.